Welcome! Let's start. First, apply Vaseline onto your face. Cover your face with pieces of food wrap. Leave nostrils and eyes free. After covering everything, prepare a mixture of wood glue diluted with a little water. Smear with this mixture torn pieces of newspaper and then carefully apply them onto your face. Again, cover everything except eyes and nostrils. Wait about half an hour and then moment of truth. Very carefully pull the mask off your face. This is how it comes out. It's still soft and you don't want to lose the shape, so hang it for the night to dry. Now that it's dry, you can trim the eyes and also take care of any excess material of the contour of the face. Now it's time to make our mask more hard and solid. We apply a second layer of newspaper dipped in wood glue over the whole surface of the mask, and we take extra care for the contour of the face and the shape of the eyes. Let it dry again. In order to be able to wear it, you're going to need a length of stretch band that you will secure with a stapler at the sides of your mask. Cover the staples with pieces of newspaper dipped in glue. Let your mask dry once more and apply a coat of plastic white paint. This will become your canvas. Paint as you like. The only limit is your imagination. And here, as you see, I'm wearing my mask. It fits perfectly. And this is how you can make a fitting paper mache mask based exactly on your face. I hope you liked this little tutorial. Bye bye.